today we're going to do a science experiment of Skittles! Let's open them first. Oh, let me open yours. Up. Hold on here. Wow, they're so colorful. So we made this, but now we need warm water. But ask an adult to help you. I have my mom. My mom will help me to pour the water. Ooh, I'm so excited! It's working! This is so cool. This is amazing! Wow, this is so amazing! Almost looks like candy. Wait, let me hear. Does it have any sound? No. Green, yellow, purple, red, and orange. I wish I could touch it. Wow! Isn't this cool? Now I'm gonna try another one. Now we're gonna pour warm water again. Don't forget to get an adult with you. Yay, let's see. Let's go along. Oh, wow. Mama, karon na. Oh. I'm not good. I'll look it up. Wow, this is amazing. Now we're doing a rainbow baking soda and vinegar experiment. Yay! First, in every bowl, we're gonna put baking soda. And your favorite color. Let's add the colors. Which one do you want? Blue. Now we're gonna mix. It looks like snow. So we mixed two colors to make one color, yellow and purple. So this was supposed to be yellow, but it turned out to be orange, and this was supposed to be like purple, but this turned out like sort of like bluish. Now we're gonna put all the colors over here. Yellow. Yellow. Time for magic! When we're gonna add vinegar, you're gonna see the magic. All right. Now we're gonna add vinegar. ग्रीन हो गया. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Black आ गया. Black आ गया ना.